We are in the middle of the world, and it's not because I say so. In 1736, a French and Spanish scientist expedition determined that this place was the exact middle of the planet. Unfortunately, some years ago, the GPS and the new technologies say that the true middle is 242 meters away. C'est la vie. Here we are with Carolina in Mitad del Mundo, and she's gonna teach us some things about the equatorial line. We are now in the exact place, latitude 0. Is that true, Carolina?
Yes, it is, Jesus. Welcome to Itinyan Museum. Inti means sun and Jan means way, the way of the sun. And it's going to be a pleasure to go with you this time in the museum. Let's go!
Intinya Museum is the interpretation center of the equatorial line, a didactic and very funny place where we can experience through a easy demonstration the uniqueness of the physical laws that prevail in the latitude 0. Some seem to be pure magic, and others surprise us with small details capable of breaking the molds.
Shadow is going to make a semicircle every day from 6 in the morning to 6 in the evening during 6 months. So from September the 23rd to March the 21st, the shadow is going to be projected to the north. In March the 21st, the shadow is going to be in the middle because the sun is just on the top of us, and at 12 o'clock something very interesting happens, Jesus. Guess what? There is no shadow. There is no shadow during 2 minutes at midday.
Just 2 minutes.
2 minutes, because the sun is going to be totally perpendicular, and so it disappears under everything.
So if someone wants to know what time it is, he's gonna be lost looking for a shadow.
Yeah, well, that person would know it's midday because, yeah, it would be lost looking for the shadow. It's true.
Only 2 meters north of the equator happens what normally we are used to see in the northern hemisphere. While a few meters farther south, leaves rotate in the opposite direction. Many people of one or another hemisphere have not seen water spinning in the opposite direction, and here you can see the two ways in just 3 meters of distance. But the most demanding show has to do with the Coriolis effect and the cancellation of forces at latitude 0.
Oh, muy bien.
We have to say that either the water demonstration and the egg contest here in Intiyan have undergone scientific controversial, but yeah, whether if it's the Coriolis effect or each one's skill to balance the egg, no one can resist to believe that the planet magnetism of the gravitational forces can work together in the equatorial line to make you do a great achievement. If you were able to balance the egg on the head of a nail, you become a proud deserving visitor of the Intiyan Museum certificate.
Ahora inténtalo tú. Si logras llevarte el certificado de la mitad del mundo.
Yeah. I get the Mr. Egg accreditation.
Come on, you can do it.
This doesn't work, huh?
Esto significa que las mujeres solo pueden equilibrar. No te preocupes, cerramos la cocina.
Hey, cut! Hey, do I get my certificate? I think I'm gonna need to tell the editor of this documentary how does the egg thing work.